Good morning, children, and welcome back to the SST class. In the last video, I taught you the 10th chapter, the life of the people. And in this chapter, we could learn the life of our ancestor and the hints where we got the information, that is material heritage and non-material heritage. Then we learn language, dresses, dance, music. Then about epic, the true story, the Ramayana and Mahabharata. Then we learn about the folk tale. And last one, that was Jataka tales. So this chapter is already over. Now today we will discuss the exercise. So I like to request to all of you, please open your social study book, page number 61. So today we will discuss the activity or exercise of this chapter. So come to the page number 61. Okay, here you can see the practice session number A, tick the correct option. So here there are 5 questions, and for the 5 questions there are 4 options. So we will choose which one is correct. Okay. Question number 1. How many languages are recognized by the Constitution of India? A 24, B 42, C 22 and D 16. So which is correct? Number C 22. Number 2. Makhla chadar is worn by women of. Makhla chadar, that is a dress, and this dress worn by women. So which state? 4 names are here. A Assam, B Punjab, C Bihar and D Rajasthan. And that is Assam. Women of Assam, they wear makhla chadar. Number 3. Ghumar is a folk dance. Two type of dances are there, folk dance and classical dance. So Ghumar is a folk dance of which state? A Punjab, B Gujarat, C Rajasthan and D Maharashtra. And that is C Rajasthan. Then Valmiki was the poet of the Mahabharata, the Ramayana, the Bhagavad Gita, and none of these. Yes, he was the poet or writer of Ramayana. Number B. Then number 5th. The Mahabharata was written by. Who wrote Mahabharata? Yes, it is correct. Number A, Vedavyas. Okay. Now, question number B, answer the following question. So this one we will do later. Then come to question number C. Fill in the blanks. Look at here. Number 1, dash is official language of India. What is the official language? Yes, that is Hindi. Our national language as well as our official language. Then number 2, dash music is popular in South India, and that is Carnatic music. That is Carnatic music. Number 3, the Ramayana is a long epic of dash verses. How many verses are there? 24,000 verses. Okay. The next question. Number 4. The jackal saw dash lying near a tree. Drum. D-R-U-M. Then 5th. The brave and courageous are dash rewarded. R-E-W-A-R-D-E-D. Rewarded. Then come to question number D. Right, true or false. Okay, there are 5 questions. You can see the answers also. Tansen was a singer in courts. Tansen was a singer in Akbar's court. Yes, it is correct. True. Number 2, Ustad Zakir Hussain play flute. No, he played tabla. So this is false. Number 3, Rama was sent to an exile for 14 years. Yes, it is true. Number 4, the Mahabharata talk about the Kauravas and Pandavas. Yes, it is true. The Jataka tales talk about the future birth of Gautam Buddha. No, it talk about previous birth. So this is false. Okay. Please note down in your book. Then come to question number E. Match the column. 5 question and 5 option. Material will goes to number C. Building, monuments, etc. Firan. Number A. Long woolen kurta. Third, Bharatanatyam, Tamil Nadu. Fourth, Panchatantra tale, Vishnu Sharma. And fifth, Jataka tale, Gautam Buddha. Okay. After finishing this, I told you that we will discuss the question answer later. So here is the time. Now we will discuss the question answer. Okay. The students, be ready. Whatever the instruction it is given, please note down in your book first. Then after that, you note down in your fair notebook. Okay. Now come to the question answer. There are 5 questions. So I will show you the answer. Now look at here. Question number 1. What does heritage mean? What does heritage mean? And here is the answer. And the answer is that heritage means the traditions and culture of a country. Here it is country. This word and this word. This is country. Okay. There is lack of space. So here I kept this side. Once again, heritage means the tradition and culture of a country that have existed for a long time. Once again, heritage means the traditions and culture of a country that have existed for a long time. Okay? Then come to question number 2. What are the most common and popular dresses? Everybody you knows. And the answer is that the most common popular dress is sari worn by women, and the shirt, trousers worn by men. Once again, the most common popular dress is sari worn by women, and the shirt, trousers worn by men. Then question number 3. List 2 folk dances and 2 classical dances. First 2 folk dances: Bihu of Assam, Ghumar of Rajasthan. And 2 classical dance: Odissi of Odisha and Bharatanatyam of Tamil Nadu. Once again, 2 folk dances: Bihu of Assam, Ghumar of Rajasthan. 2 classical dances, here you write S, add S, dances: Odissi of Odisha, Bharatanatyam of Tamil Nadu. Okay. Then question number 4. What is an epic? What is an epic? An epic is a long poem that narrates something about gods and heroes. Once again, an epic is a long poem that narrates something about gods and heroes. Then the last question, number 5. What is folk tale? What is folk tale? A folk tale is a story originating in popular culture and passed on by word of the mouth. Once again, a folk tale is a story originating in popular culture and passed on by word of the mouth. So students, we have finished the exercise of this chapter. Now this is your duty to note down in your fair notebook. Okay? So students, question number A, take the correct. Question number B, answer the following question. Question number C, fill in the blanks. Question number D, write true or false. And question number E, match the column. These things you will note down in your fair notebook. And I want to give you one request. If any students is there and who doesn't get this information, please tell them. So students, please help your classmates. Those are not getting this information properly. You inform them and ask them to note down and maintain their fair notebook. Okay? So students, I think this is enough for you, and I hope all of you obey and maintain your fair notebook. Thank you. May God bless you.